Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the Megaman game on Java. And in the last part, I show you the way to draw the background map. And all the code I just write, so I just wrote on the game board stage. And today, for this part, I will organizing the code in the in a class named background map, and I will load the background map from the data file like this. So we open it. You can go to the file on NetBeans and go to the data folder and go to the background map.txt here. Open the file and you can see here the first line is a number, and this number is the number of the row of the map. The row is here is also number of lines, right? And the second line is the number of column. Here the column. Alright, so when for the load method we can use these two parameters to load the whole of the map here. And for every number on the map, this is just the number to put on the right. So you can go right now you can go to the frame layout, sorry, to the frame.txt file, and you can search child. Here, as you can see, I divided many types with the trailing is the number. So this number we will get from the background map here. So then we can use this to use the correct type on the map. Alright, so let's go to the project file and go to the original code, go to the class cache data loader and find the method. So before we find the method, we need to copy the background map matrix here and go to our class and persist here. And don't forget to copy the path to open the background map file and put it here, and go to the main character. You can search by load background map and copy the whole of the method. Alright, and go to our class, scroll down to the bottom and paste the method here, and don't forget to go to the load method where we load all the access for the game, and unrecommend the load background method here. Alright, so now for when the game run up, if you call the load data, so it will also call the load background map. And after we call that method, this matrix will have the data, so we can use this matrix to draw the background map on the screen. Alright, so instead use it the hard code here this matrix. This matrix all the elements set it by 14 in the previous video, like this. All right, and we can remove this and remove this, and here you can use the sorry use the cache data loader, get instant, and alright, let's go back here and copy the get background method here and go to our class, scroll down to the bottom of the class. So because we add the getter, so here we can call get the background map here. This method will return a matrix, so we can access by the indexing for the row and the column here, and then we will have a frame so that we can use the get image to get the image for this method, so we can draw the correct type on the screen. So let's run again. Alright, so you can see we are now draw the yes, we are drawing the map, but I think we have some issue here. Now let me see. I will go to the background map classes and go to the draw here, and yeah, because I just draw the I draw the physical map, so some element from the physical map will overlap on the background map. Okay, so we need to recommend this. Sorry, command this and just run the game again. Alright, so now we just draw the game correctly. Alright, okay, so for the drawing we already finished, but from the origin code, as you can see here, we have the background map. This is a class with the feature like is the same with the physical map. In here, we need to put all the code in a single class to organize the code in so we can simply reduce the code in the game work state, because in the future we need to implement many line of codes in this class, so we need to put some some code in a single class so that we can easier to use it. All right, so you can go to the origin and just copy this class. This class is very simple. You can see we just have the draw method here, and it just extend the game object. All right, so when you go to our game, to our package, go to the game effect, game object package, and create the new Java class and put the name is background map, and then you just paste the whole code from the origin, and here we just ask to import package here, and here we need to import the game state, and for the draw, like I said, I I show you the method, the way that I use in the origin, using in the origin code, that I go through all the element in the matrix. You can see I didn't use the I2 and I1 and the J1 and J2 here. Instead of that, I go through, and this is not a good performance for the game, right? And here I just check the I just check whether the position of the lines is right. I just check whether it can be in the screen, and when I just draw, because I detected that the draw image method will take a lot of time to draw a single target, so it will take um, a large time. So I just limit this method on some title can be drawn, right? But in the new method I wrote in the game work state, you can see here I divided the yes I consider uh, to uh, to find 4 parameters that that set the bound from the camera view for the index, so I can use it as to use in the for loop. So this is a lot of things that be good for performance. Alright, so I think I need to copy this code and put it to the background map here, and here I just use the J2. Yeah, no, we don't need to use this J. It grab sorry, this G2, and here camera, Yeah, I didn't put the camera in the game object, so I will change a little here, modify a camera. uh, Camera, and here I will set the camera. Oh yeah, we're not necessary to do that. Here I just get the game work here and call get the camera. Alright, so here we have the camera. Yeah, so we already finished, we already done for the background map class, and then we just go back to the game work state, and yeah, I remove this code and go to the top of the class. In the define section below the physical map, I will define another, that is the background map, and here just put the background map. Don't forget to import the package path here, and in here I just increase the instance for this object by create a new instance, background, sorry, background map, and put the as the y equals 0 and 0, and here I just put this. Alright, so let's go back here and call the background map. Just call the draw method and put the graphics to the first parameter here. So that's it. Just run the program and see. Alright, so right now we we have we have done for the we have done for drawing the background map. Sometimes you see the screen flashing uh, because you know I need to record the screen to make the tutorial, so sometimes my computer has some problem with the performance, so the game is also be affected for this. Alright, so this is not bug. If you run on the PC that have many memory and have the free processor, the game will be smoother, will be more smooth. Okay, and that's it for this video. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe the channel. That is the best support for me and for this channel. I hope that, guys, and thank you very much for watching the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.